Yo, what is going on? So this is how to use Photon Sol in 2024. First, you're gonna install the Phantom wallet, download and set up Phantom wallet, a popular Solana-based digital wallet. This will be your gateway to accessing Photon Sol. Connect your wallet to Photon website. After setting up Phantom wallet, navigate to the Photon's Sol website and click on Connect wallet. Follow the prompts to link your Phantom wallet to Photon Sol. Make yourself familiar with the interface. The Photon's SOL web client offers a user-friendly interface. Take some time to explore the feature and the menus, which include market data, real-time chart data updated every 10 seconds maximum, providing you with valuable insights for your trades. Execute buy and sell orders for various Solana-based tokens, including Photon. Fees: Photon SOL charges a 1% fees for each transaction, calculated based on the original token used. Example transactions: suppose you want to spend 5 SOL to buy $100 Photon tokens. The 1% fee would be calculated as follows: 5 SOL times 0.01, which is 0.05 SOL. After subtracting the 0.05 SOL fee, 4.95 SOL will be used to purchase Photon tokens. Additional tips: speed: Photon Sol is designed to be the fastest between the Solana trading platforms. Ease of use: the web client is user-friendly, making it accessible to both experienced traders and beginners. Features: Photon Sol's architecture is tailored to the needs for the crypto trading community, offering a range of features to support your trading activities. Yeah, so that's all you need to know.